Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will show you a quick way how to clean your Antminers. Let's begin. And all you gonna be in need is brush something like this and hair dryer. All you have to do is you need to remove the front fan. Let's begin. It's very simple and it does not void your guarantee. And most of dust and dirt is stuck right here. You can see this. Let's clean this first. Okay, you are done with that. Second comes the fan itself. You have to clean the edges here. And third step will be the boards itself. It's a very quick and simple way. You don't need to deassemble a whole miner. Because the main reason is this fan and these beginnings that does not let cold air in to flow. You can see there is a dark and it's full of dust. I will try to clean with this, remove the dust, and after that I will try hair dryer. It's full of dust. And for air it's very difficult to flow through this. Okay, get ready. Okay, you can see it's clean right now in the hose right here, and cold air can flow. Let's assemble this back and turn on miner. Okay, let's turn on. Okay, everything's done. The fan works perfectly, and that was all. Thank you for watching, and please make sure to subscribe my channel for more videos about cryptocurrency and mining. Thank you.